Hello, I need help. Can you assist me? I'm having an issue. My internet is down. I can't log in. My order hasn't arrived. The product is defective. I need to reset my password. How do I update my account? Can I speak to a manager? I want a refund. My service is interrupted. How do I track my order? I'm having billing problems. I need to change my address. My package was damaged. I can't make a payment. I have a question about my bill. How do I cancel my subscription? Can you help me with this error? My phone isn't working. I need technical support. How do I return an item? I need more information. Can you check my account? I'm not satisfied with the service. I can't connect to the server. Can I get a replacement? How long will the repair take? I need to update my payment method.